Yeah.
dated from here, Ireland, the UK,
Yeah.
everywhere. I've had a fair share of my.
Dude, how many exes do you have? Like more than 10?
I think 10 is small. I don't know.
Like actual relationships?
Well, a mixture of any other thing, short term,
long term, situationships.
Yes, and then
Okay, all right.
these
I mean,
days
if
they
you're
even
including-
have something called Sneaky Link. My
Sneaky links.
2000. I think I live a risky life. So if you wanna marry, if you live a risky life or politically and socially exposed life,
Right.
you want to minimize the risk to another person. So I would rather, when things or shit hit the fan, I'd rather go alone and have saved. I've seen, I don't know if your podcast is allowed to name drop, but those are public cases. I've seen Isaac Kosi, the state going after him.
Yep.
He almost lost everything.
Yep.
And even the wife's house was attached at some point. And fortunately for them is that the house was on the wife's name, and that's how they got it back. I've seen Bakan Seretse losing almost everything.